Hi friends, today I will discuss about print function in Python. So generally, print function, if you know about Python, so print function print anything whatever you want to print. But of course, just I am going to take a small lesson on this one. So what we can do through print function. So the first you can know in Python, we use print function for print anything. So like this, the first thing either we can use single quote to like hi, I am Nagendra. So this will print. Now you can, instead of using single quote, you can use double quote also. So we can write like this also. So you can observe, like see, even if I can give single quote or double quote also, but if you are going to mix, then it will throw error. So let's check this one. So now I am starting with double quote and ending with single quote. So it will throw error. So now you can see, since we have started with double quote, so it is searching somewhere should end with double quote. But since it is not getting, it's throwing error. So now, so like whatever you want, so like, okay, we can also do like, hello, welcome to Python programming. So yeah, so like this I explained you. So now if you're not writing anything, so like see, just I have given double quote. So what it will do, just it will use one line. So after that, if you are printing anything here, hi. So you can see it has taken one line here, and then after that it has printed. So same thing we can do through single quote also. And one more thing I wanted to explain you. So like this, you see, I have written print hi, and then in next print I have written I am Nagendra. So once if I'm going to run, okay, what it did, it's printing in different line. So if I wanted to print in same line, so what I will do, so just let me clear the previous output. Okay, so now I cleared the previous output. So yeah, so now you see here, it's printing in different line. So if I want to do print in same line, so what I can do, I can write hi, I am Nagendra in same print function. But what if, like we have a large sentence, and what we want, we don't want to write in one print function, but we want this that should print continuous. So what we can do, like we can write this hi. So let me just print here. Hi. And what is this in is a keyword. So keyword, it will tell you how you are going to end your print, like a statement after printing. So what we are telling, okay, in this, after go is new lines operator. So you go new line. So it will go new line. So instead of this, if you're going to tell like this, so what I'm telling, after hi, don't go new line, just put one space and then cursor will remain at that place only. So now you see it's high. So we can check this with this example. Now you see what we will get, like high, then cursor will give one space and then cursor will remain at that place only. And then in same line, it will print I am Nagendra. Okay. Yeah. So now you see. So even if we have two different print functions, it remains here only. So what you can do, instead of like giving a space, you can give anything. Like if you want to give something instead of like a space, you can give any symbol. So Oh, sorry, I missed it. Yes. So now what they are doing, instead of a space, they are putting this symbol, and then they are okay. And after that, cursor is at the end of this symbol, and then I am again like this. So if you are want to give a space and like whatever you want, so that's going to do. So now you see, so they have given this symbol. So same way, here you can see now, like hello I printed, then I told to cursor remain in that place, but after that I told okay, you can go in next line, so it came here. Okay, so now I have not given, so then again it will go in next line, then again hello I am printing, then in what I am telling a space, then right now I am in third line. So okay, so now one thing just I wanted to ask you. So suppose that if I am printing something like this, print hi. Okay, and what I want now, I want to print welcome to Python, but after skipping the 5 lines. So now you can see, so what I will do, like I will write something like this. Now I'm going to write welcome to Python. So what it did, hi, and then 5 lines, like it has skipped 5 lines. So in welcome to Python, so if someone asks you give 100 as a space between two sentences, so you are going to write 100 times. So no, Python is given one better space. Instead of writing 5 times, what you can do, just you write one, like this is like it's going to skip one line, then just you multiply this with, like if you want 500, like whatever. So let's run. No, so what it did, hello, then it was in here only, but what I have given, okay, it's like 5 empty lines. So just instead of writing 5 times, so just what I did, I write 5 into one line, like skipping one line, like empty. So now again we are printing hello. So this is this is the alternative of this one, like instead of writing 6 times, so like this. Yeah. So one more thing, suppose that if you want to write like in same bin print, like what this will print, this will print high. So as you know, if you are going to write this one, it's printing high. But if I want to repeat high like 6 times, so what you can do, 6 into high, high. So if you want to give a space, yes, same thing, like whatever is within double quote, it's going to print the same thing. You can write within single quote also, like this one also. No, hi. So here we can print. So if you want to give a space, you can give a space. Same thing. So this I've explained you. So now come. So I told you, next of this you can give any symbol. So suppose that @ symbol. What I gave @ here, I don't have any space. So Python @ Python. Then before @ we have one space. So it's keeping one a space. So same thing you can give a space here also. Yes. So now this Python, since after this what, after first @ it's directly printing P without giving any space. So you can give one space here. Okay. So this was all about print function. So in next lecture I will come with like numerical and integer, like numerical value, their variables. So I will discuss about variables of Python.